Not gonna lie, I can't stifle my conscience, not anymore. We see now sprint legend Usain Bolt joining Chris Gayle, the universe boss, and Dwayne Bravo, the champion, as ambassadors for the World T20. And with the West Indies team being molded into potential contenders, with the vibes building towards the event, here in Jamaica, me not lie, me start feel jealous of the other territories. It is just sinking in that the T20 World Cup will be in the West Indies and Jamaica exclude ourselves. Yes. That decision not to spend taxpayers' money to host any form of cricket, because people in Jamaica generally don't watch or actively express love and interest in cricket anymore. It seemed reasonable at the time. But as the event draws near, to know that the big World T20 will be all around us and we won't be a part of it, me feel jealous. Yes. And in hindsight, we should have bid for and got some games in Jamaica. Yes. So yes, the Maverick switch. Yes, we switch. Me no bow, but we switch. Yes. We should be part of the World Cup. Jamaica should be switch. We switch. I don't bow, but we switch.